What's the meaning of childhood? Childhood. Childhood.
Childhood. Childhood. Childhood refers to the period of time in a person's life between birth and adolescence. During this time, children undergo significant physical, cognitive, and emotional development as they learn about the world around them and form their personalities and identities. Childhood is often characterized by play, exploration, and learning, and is seen as a formative time that can greatly influence a person's future. It is a time of innocence and wonder, where memories are made and lifelong relationships are formed. Overall, childhood is a crucial stage of human development that shapes who we become as adults.